Guys, today in this video we are going to see review about this awesome product called MoneyCraft Reloaded, which is basically helps you to make money by selling video games. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its benefits, various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have 4 free bonuses for you. So to learn more about it, stick till the end of the video. Or to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description, guys. So now let's get started.
Hey, it's Ijlal, and in this video I'm gonna show you the MoneyCraft system in action. You're gonna see how easy it is to find deals on popular games and flip them for profit in literally minutes. Now, before I actually log in to the app itself, what I would like to show you is the possibility of income that you have with MoneyCraft. Now, what you're seeing here is the transactions page inside the secret marketplace that we uncover inside the MoneyCraft training. And as you can see, this page is full of transactions. And if I show you here, you'll be able to see that we have done over 5,500 transactions, and in total we have processed over 160,000 euros in sales in just this one account. And you know what I basically wanted to share before I actually go and dive inside the app is the possibility that comes with the MoneyCraft system. If you put the info that we have here in action, I can assure you that results will be in your lap. Now, what you're seeing on your screen here is the secret marketplace that we uncover inside the MoneyCraft training. What you're seeing on your screen is a very popular game called Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. And as you can see, it sells for 25 euros on this platform. Now, our goal is to find this particular game for cheaper and then come back and list it on this platform and then sell it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular game's name. And as you can see, this is an Xbox One edition United States key. So I'm going to go back to MoneyCraft. I'm going to log into the app and then I'm going to search for this particular game. Now, as I press the search button, what MoneyCraft software does is that it goes to about 25 websites very similar to the particular network that I just showed you, and it's finding this particular game for cheap on those sites. And you're going to see in just a few moments how quickly it's going to fetch all the results and it's going to bring us the cheapest deals. Now, as you can see, we have about 206 results. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it in this search bar just to filter the results. And now let's sort the results by pricing. Again, what we're looking for is the deluxe edition for United States. This one's for the UK. And here we have this one that is for United States. Let's go ahead and view this. As you can see, this particular game is the similar one to the one that is selling actively on our underground marketplace. And on this side, it's selling only for 10 euros. On this side, we can sell it for 25 euros on the secret marketplace, right? So what I'm going to do is I can go ahead and I can grab, say, 10 keys of this particular game, and then I can come back and list it on this particular site, and I'm going to be making 15 euros every time someone purchases. And this is just one example. I'm going to go ahead and show you another one. This here is another game called Horizon Zero Dawn, and it's actively selling for about 18 euros. Let's go ahead and search for this particular game on the MoneyCraft app. I'm going to give the app a few seconds to search on all the sites to make sure that we have the lowest possible offer. Now, once the app is done searching, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter the results and I'm going to sort it by pricing. So what we're looking for here is a PSN key for the PlayStation 4 that can be activated in North America. And as you can see here, we have a PSN key that we can activate in North America. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Another key that we can see here is the US and Canadian version, which is also basically North America. So we can go ahead and open that too. As you can see, the particular region here is North America, and this is selling for only €6. Sorry, £6. Now, if you come back to the secret marketplace, you can see that it's selling here for €18. That is about at least a €10 profit. So I can go ahead and buy this particular game. I can say buy 10 keys, and then I can just simply come back and list it on this platform and easily make €10 in profit. That's how powerful the MoneyCraft system is. Now, how did I know what games to look for? Well, that's all uncovered inside the MoneyCraft training. When you get your hands on MoneyCraft, you'll be given a full PDF training along with a few video clips, as well as this particular app, which is going to save you hours of time researching. With the MoneyCraft training, you will be able to see exactly how you can find games, how you can list them on the secret marketplace, and then how you can quickly get into profit in as soon as 48 hours from today. And honestly, this is perhaps the easiest and the fastest way to make money online. As you just saw, it barely took me a few minutes to find these particular games, and I can go ahead and get my hands on these, and then I can just go ahead and relist them on the secret marketplace, and we'll be ready to make profit. So that's how simple the MoneyCraft system is. I highly recommend that you go ahead and get your hands on it immediately before the price increases. I'm going to see you on the inside.